The Patio Choice Yellow Tomato is a hybrid bush cherry tomato variety, and like its name suggests, it's a great choice for a patio tomato in a container. So, this is another one for small space gardeners. And even though it's considered a determinate variety, I was able to get a ton of tomatoes all throughout the season off of my plant. And the plant died off around mid November, but the plant was pretty healthy. And due to it being a hybrid variety, it's been bred to be somewhat disease resistant. And overall, I felt like it was a strong plant. However, for it being a bush tomato, it wasn't as compact as I thought it would be, and I did have to add a little bit of support to help keep the plant upright, but it still did really well in a container. Flavor-wise, though, I have to be honest, I didn't like it as much as other varieties, and while it did have a Brix meter reading of 7.8, I still felt like it wasn't very sweet, and at times it tasted a bit bland, but I felt like the flavor was kind of inconsistent with each one that I tried. But as always, there are so many factors into how a tomato ends up tasting, so you may have a different experience than me, but I would still say that due to how productive this plant was, it would be a good one to grow if you wanted to use them for cooking and if you needed a lot of tomatoes in one setting. For me personally, I don't think I would grow it again just because I have the space to grow other varieties, and I am also interested in exploring other container varieties. So maybe in a future season, I'll circle back to it and perhaps then I'll have a different experience with it. But if you have limited space to grow in, I'd still say to give it a try.